not seen anybody yet. Any place up here, huh?
Must be an electric or something.
Can you imagine if we get the 2 trucks of it?
I wish the truck somehow gave you like a tactical advantage in some way, like you could shoot out or something.
That's planned, I think.
Alright, here we go.
Can I get on the roof of this gas station? Whoa! Was that you?
What was that?
What was... Oh, we're getting shot at, Joseph. Get in the truck.
Are we?
Drive. Drive.
Oh, shit. Oh my gosh!
Drive. Get in the driver's...
I'm trying!
Drivers.
Oh,
Oh, shit! They just blew up the gas station.
damn!
Are you guys both dead?
Yeah, we're dead.
Oh my god.
Oh, shit. I was trying to get in.
Fuck, dude. Yeah, sorry. I thought you would get in the driver's door. You
Sean.
would have died anyway. Fuck.
Alt F10. Alt F10.
Fuck.